Hello guys, this is Random Take. How are you guys? Hope you are doing very well. Today is gonna be a very special video as I'm gonna use 10,000 diamonds to get a VIP pass. So yeah guys, as you can see I have 12.8k diamonds here. Altogether I have 18.4k diamonds. I have very less diamonds, but to show you that if the VIP pass is actually good or not, I'm gonna buy it for you guys. So let's see. So let's unlock the VIP pass. As you can see, you can activate the VIP pass for 30 days. So yeah guys, for 10,000 diamonds, rare diamonds, you can get the VIP pass for 30 days. So that's a quite a good investment, I guess. That's a quite good use of the diamond, I suppose guys. So let's buy it. Here we go. Okay, we have to do all this. Okay, that's enough. So let's buy it. Let's activate VIP pass. Let's do it. Yeah guys, as you can see I have activated the VIP pass. 29 days, 23 hours left. So in VIP pass, when you buy the VIP pass, you can get this daily freebie as a free. Every day you will get this, so that's quite good. So let's look at the advantage of the VIP. So as you can see I'm only at level VIP 4. So I bought the VIP pass. So as you can see now, I can get a secret task squid diplo privilege. I can get 10% boost on food, iron and coin. But march speed, that's march speed gonna increase by 5%. That's really good. My construction speed will increase by 10%. That's really good. And forward more rush attempts, yeah, these are regular. So but the VIP pass is really helpful if you reach VIP 5. So in VIP 5 your construction speed is gonna increase by 20%, your crafting speed gonna speed by 25%, and you can check your device and collect all the resources. So that's gonna be very helpful if you reach VIP 5. And if VIP 6 you get more things. So you can see guys, the VIP level, uh, as you increase the VIP level your benefit increases very good. Your benefit will be very good guys. As you can see in VIP 9 you get the construction speed 40%, resource speed 10%. And in VIP 10 you get all the food boosts, all these things. You get the hero SP by 2.50%, you boost hero attack by 2.50%, boost hero defense by 2.50%. So that's really helpful guys. So yeah guys, the VIP pass, I in my opinion, if you use the diamond, 10,000 diamond, it's quite helpful for you guys, because it's not just a one day package. It's gonna help you for 30 days. So the 10,000 diamond spend is worth it guys. I think it's worth it. But you can also buy the VIP pass here, super monthly pass. That's gonna cost you like $29.99 US dollar. You get an extra benefit when you buy this package. You get here, you get 30-day VIP pass, you get the extra level squad here, you get the gathering boost to increases by 10%, you get avatar and daily pickup, you get diamonds and all these things guys. So but as I have mentioned in another video, spending money on this game or any game online is worthless, guys. It's worthless. So never spend money. Never spend. You wanna buy, just buy second construction, second building queue. That's it, guy. Or maybe a initial package.
Let's show them what we're made of.
Maybe an initial package that's gonna cost you only like $1. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys. So the VIP pass is gonna be really helpful for me in the long run. Okay, guys, have a good time. Comment here if you have a VIP pass and what VIP level you are in. Just comment here, guys. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.